Lead investigator Scott Troutman drag races custom supercharged PT Mustangs during his off-time. He knows about life and fast. But when it comes to investigating
Crazy girl.